All right, let's fucking go before we run out of time. So, ARTGIRL shader string, shader number 8, and the bombs for Josh main entry point, we have an ambiguous unit called AU lateral. That's the lateral span in tiles of the level. GTC, global tile coordinate, GRC, global room cell, so that's the room on a XY grid of room cells within the renderable space. Discrete internal local is the addressable space locally within whatever tile we're currently rendering. So RU lat is when we are referring to AU lat as a render unit, and then TU lat is when we're referring to AU lat as a texel fetch unit. Okay, down here, value units. We have these two value units. We have the tile size exponent and the lateral span, but this is a scalar rather than a vector. Okay, so we're going to try to get the current 1x tile that we're on in the world space and render kind of a graph paper grid. So we're going to get the tile size exponent to be 0, and for a 0 size tile size exponent, that's a 1x tile, so we have a lateral span of 64 by 64. We're going to take this scalar, put it into a vector right here, and we want to know how big is our tile in discrete units. So we're going to take the current tile size, which is 1x tile, so this is going to get us a 1, and we're going to multiply by the number of discrete units in a 1x tile. So 0 stands for tile size exponent 0, which is a 1x size tile. Okay, so global tile coordinate is going to be our discrete unit global divided by the number of discrete units in one tile. The internal local coordinate of the tile is where we take the number of discrete units in the current tile, multiply by the global tile coordinate, and chop that amount off from the discrete unit global to get a local coordinate that is local to the current tile. Then global room coordinate is a room address on the renderable space. So in order to get that, we take our global tile coordinate and we divide by the number of tiles in one level to get the room address on the renderable space. Okay, so local map coordinate x and y is the tile coordinate on the current level, so a room local level coordinate. So we're going to take RU lateral, the lateral span of the level in tiles, we're going to multiply by the room coordinate, and then we're going to take this amount and we're going to chop it off from the global tile coordinate, and that's going to localize the global tile coordinate, give us the local map coordinate. Now we're going to assign these to each other because, right, we did everything in RU units, but from now on we're going to use the texel fetch units here, and then here we have some other stuff. We gotta get the fuck out of here. We're out of fucking time. We're out of fucking time. I don't want to record this again.